Good morning. Today we are going to paint runes, but to do that, we need to start with dry paper and use our white crayon or a piece of candle. You need to count the letters of your name, and if it's an odd number like 5, you find the center letter in your name, and then you place the ones on the left and the right in equal spaces. The one I'm writing has 6 letters, so I'm going to center the middle 2 letters and then place the other ones on its side. So before you start, you try to trace it first with your finger to see that it will really be centered. And you make sure it's in the middle. So I want you to try and read what I'm writing here, but we'll see it later. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to wet your paper in the back and in the front and place it front side up. Then you're going to paint where you put the white crayon with lemon yellow to make it appear. So as you can see, what I actually wrote was Cosmos, our section's name. So I am painting lemon yellow here to make it glow, and then you're going to choose a base color for your rune stones. So for me, I used ultramarine blue. This is the base stone color of my rune stones. And then I am just shaping differently shaped stones. They don't have to be all the same shape because rune stones are usually in slightly different shapes and sizes. So after you place the base color like this, you can then clean your brush first and then choose other colors to blend with the base color. And you blend it carefully, only taking a little bit of paint at a time and trying to see what combinations can you make to make the stones look very interesting here. But try not to over paint it because it might spill over. So only use a little bit of paint at a time and try to blend the colors very gently and try to see what other colors you will find by blending them. Alright. Next, you are going to clean your brush again, and then you're done with the main work. You are now just going to paint a background. So you're going to just freely choose colors, just making sure to clean your brush every time you change the color. And you're going to come close to the stones but not touch them with the background. You want the lemon yellow glow to still show up. So you're going to get as close to the stones without touching them. So here, as you can see, I'm just picking up random colors and cleaning my brush every time I change, and I'm blending the edges of the colors with each other. And I'm approaching the stones without painting over them. I'm painting around them as closely as I can without really touching the stones themselves. And what this does is it makes it look like the stones are glowing lemon yellow. So here I'm just completing the page and painting over all of the white parts. So I'm blending vermilion with gold and yellow to make a gradient of red and yellow. And I'm putting carmine over here at the edge. And carmine blends nicely with ultramarine. So I'm going to make that climb up before I change color. There, so ultramarine here to blend with the carmine red. And you are free to choose what positions the colors will have on your paper. Just let it flow and take your time to see what color combinations you can make around your name. So I'm almost done here, just painting over the white parts, and I decided I want some gold here at the end, and I'm blending it with the blue and the red. Then I'm filling in the empty space over here at the bottom so that the whole page is completely filled with color.